Welcome to the Rebuilding Arizona Civics Podcast. This podcast aims to share our journey of sustaining Arizona's interest in reforms to civic education by implementing the Educating for American Democracy roadmap. This work is being done by an amazing group of Arizona civic teacher leaders and overseen by the Center for Political Thought and Leadership at Arizona State University. I'm your host, Liz Evans, Director of Civic Education at Arizona State University, and I'll be interviewing Arizona teachers and thought leaders in civic education. We hope you enjoy our journey to make Arizona a national civics renewal model. Hello, and welcome to the Rebuilding Arizona Civics Podcast. My name is Liz Evans, Program Director for Civic Education at the Center for Political Thought and Leadership at Arizona State University. I'm excited to share our journey with implementing the Educating for American Democracy roadmap here in Arizona. We will start dropping episodes on February 14th to celebrate the 110th birthday of our great state. I'll often be joined by the Arizona Task Force leads, Tammy, Tara, and Jeremy, as we discuss the EAD specifics and what we are learning along the way. These three civic education leaders will each be heading up a task force of teacher leaders in our state, which we've split into Northern, Central, and Southern Arizona. During this season, we will be taking you through the 7 themes of the EAD, the 6 core pedagogical practices, and the 5 design challenges. Our plan is to train teacher leaders on the EAD and then start to find areas to implement this knowledge to create opportunities for enhancing civic education and engagement at all levels, K through 12. The EAD itself is not a curriculum. It is a support for the state social studies standards. It's meant to inspire stakeholders in education to rethink and reprioritize civic and history education. Teachers are really the heart of this work with their passion for and experience in civic education. Later in our season, you will hear from teachers as they give insight into how this is working for them and what they are doing in their classroom. We love highlighting amazing civic education. Please follow, share, and subscribe to our podcast. You can follow the Center for Political Thought and Leadership on your favorite social media channels, as well as check out our website for more information on opportunities for educators and students. Please also check out the School for Civic and Economic Leadership at Arizona State University for events, scholarly works, and the master's degree designed specifically for teachers. Thank you for tuning in, and we can't wait to share with you.